G'day, welcome back. So I've gone and picked up another project car. It's not technically mine, it's a friend's uncle's. It's been parked up since about 1995. Hasn't run since then. And yeah, let's have a look at it. So it's a bit of an effort to get out because yeah, it's been sat for 20 odd years. But thankfully 3 out of the 4 wheels turned. Just had a bit of an effort to get the last one turning. It was parked at the back of someone's property in the workshop back there. So it's a bit of an effort to get out. Got a little bit of footage doing it, not a great deal. Couldn't really film too much, but I'll show you a bit of how we got it out there, and then we'll come back and have a look at the car. Right, so there we go. You might have seen it on Instagram a while ago, but it's a Morris Minor, 1958 Morris Minor. Looks pretty dirty, but apart from the dirt, a bit of surface rust, it actually seems pretty solid. So it needs a good clean. 3 out of the 4 tyres were holding air, which is kind of impressive. You see we got the trafficators instead of indicators. Haven't been in the boot yet, a little bit scared. That's the wheel that was jammed on. I had a bit of hammering and stuff to get it moving. In the end I just ended up towing it with a Mondeo and it freed itself up, so it can't have been too bad. But our front drums, of course, so drums all round, so a wee bit of rust in here, but it's the panel, it all seems pretty solid. Yes, let's have a look. I'll look in here. I'll just grab a light. Hang on. So you see that driver's seat's been refinished at some point. Passengers are a bit grottier. Back seats all look pretty good. Headlining, again, pretty good. Been serviced at some point a long time ago. Yeah, the writing's long gone on there. See if I can get in it. It's not quite big enough for me, this car. So the odometer says 4997. I think it's look at the warrant history, it must have ticked over. I don't know what the highest that reads, but it was at 58,000. 58,000, then it's gone back to 5,000, so who knows what's happened there. Maybe that's just how it works. Got these Louis compartments here. It's handy for your sandwiches. One on this side. More sandwiches. So it's manual gearbox. Presume it's a 4-speed. Could be a 3-speed, I don't know. Get up. What knobs we got? We got an S, an L, a W, and a C. So we got a choke, washers, lights, someone else. Got some aftermarket switch there, ammeter, 3 pedals, some wires. That's some. Whatever that is. Can you see that? Something soldered onto something. It's a positive earth system, I believe. Even that, there's no real rot in any of there. It's looking pretty solid. Right, let's see if we can figure out how to get the bonnet open. Oh gee. Oh, yeah. There it is, 948 cc's. Plenty of room for a W8 in there. Some electrics. Low maintenance battery, 330 amps. Bit oily, but doesn't look too bad. Hang that up there somewhere. There's not much in there. It's pretty dry down there. Looks like used his old socks to radiator hoses. Doesn't look too bad in there from a first glance. I presume that's a dynamo, not a an alternator. We've got a coil, we've got a dizzy cap. From this side, where's our dipstick? Got a carburettor, whatever one of those is. Oh, dipstick. Apparently he drained the oil before he stored it. Seems to be pretty empty. Oh yep, I didn't know much. Some of that about it being a Morris Motors, protected by British patents. All the metal work seems pretty solid. It's looking good. Looking pretty good. Not too scary. Surprisingly solid. No sign of rodents. Nice wombles. I think this is actually the worst of the rust, this boot lid. Salvageable or not, I don't know. Let's see what it's like when you sand it down. Right, so plans for the car. So step one is going to be get it running. First time in 22 years, we'll see if we get this car started. Not sure what mechanical state it's in. Not sure if it needs any parts to do that, but we'll try and do that this week. And then step two is going to be a good clean up, make it so we can see out the windscreen, and then a good assessment, see if it's going to be worthwhile putting this car back on the road. Certainly first impressions, haven't found any major rot that's going to get in our way, so pretty hopeful there, but until we have a good look, not going to know. So yeah, do some costing, see if it's going to be worthwhile doing that. So if you found this channel because of the Morris Minor thing, welcome. Not a car we've had on this channel before, but certainly it's a welcome addition. It's certainly something different. So yeah, comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see you for some more Morris Minor action. Cheers.